What's going on, entrepreneurs? It's Designed Upstate with another video. Today we got our Supacolor in the mail. Oh yes, very exciting. This is going down today. We're gonna press it on a couple shirts for me and the family. So stay tuned. We'll see how the results come out.
Got my cheddar up, we can chat later. About to level up, I reached my cap breaker. I've been chasing chicken, man, I gave my days up. That's why you been down there and I'm way up. When you in that fast lane, you can't wait up. Stashing all your bread.
What we got in the mail today? We got our Supacolor sample kit. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna check it out and see what's in it. Very careful when you opening that. That's very, very good stuff in there. Want me to do it?
No.
Alright, what's in the Supacolor bag? Sample kit. Welcome to the Super Fam.
Welcome to the Super Fam. Congratulations on starting your journey with us. Keep this card handy so you can easily access important information about working with Supacolor. If you have any questions, please contact us at hello. We're super friendly.
Oh, we got a couple things. Alright, that's HW. That's headwear, so that's for hats and
wearable samples.
Okay, so let's see what we got for wearable samples. Oh snap! Let's see.
No more reading.
Let me see.
Supacolor on.
Oh, that's what it looked like. Yo, that feels nice.
I like this.
Oh, that feels
nice.
Yo,
Logo.
These feel nice.
Can I have this?
We all gonna have one. Yeah.
I want this one.
You want that one? Let me see.
It's like super nice.
This one is. Oh, this is fire. Oh. Got the Supacolor one. Got the two Supacolors, white and black, and we got the Supacolor Eagle. Because we already did the other one. And my daughter's shirt, no more weeding. Dope one. Alright, here we go. This one Milo's gonna get. We want this one on the shirt. Super easy, super fast. This is pretty dope for a hat. So there you have it. That's our sample pack for Supacolor. Very excited. Can't wait to press these things with the heat press. I got some blanks, so we're about to have fun. We got our t-shirts. Got some gilding. We got some no boundaries. And we're gonna get the pressing on these with our Supacolor transfers. Alright, we here. We got my little shirt about to be made. Going down Supacolor style, you know?
Design Upstate.
Design Upstate. You dig? You know what it is. Alright, we're gonna press this down. 8 seconds.
This is daddy.
Alright, we're gonna do 3 fingers down. Line it up with the collarbone. We're gonna slap that right there for him. And we're gonna press that down. 15 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, pivot fast. Oh, there you go. No hesitation. If you hesitate, you got confidence. Press that again for another, they say 8 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay. And let's go. Let's see what it's looking like. Boom. Oh yeah. That's Supacolor for your behind.